Hello everyone, today's tutorial will write a Python program to create the multiplication table. The input is user entered input, that is in integer number, any integer number, that is we example we write 2. After that we get output is that 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. After 2 into 3, 2 into 3, output we get 6. That is, after this all multiplication table in end value, that is 2 into example 2 into 20, 2 into 20, 2 into 20 is equal to 40. That is the output. Here now we'll start our program. First is give entered input and output is get multiplication table. All will write a Python program. First we give user input, that is n is equal to, that is n is the variable, n is equal to any number, right, that is input bracket any number, that is enter the number from user, that is the string value, enter the number colon. After that this the string value integer converted into integer value, that is we write int bracket, here bracket complete. Okay, done. After this second line will we write, sorry, we will use for loop, that is for loop that is I in range, we write example in 1 to 21, 1 to 21 in range, we use for loop. Then after that use here colon, and after that we give output, that is print. Here we write, that is n into print, here we write 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to what we get output 4. That is, here we write, that is the comments, here we write print value, print in bracket, write integer variable here, that is n, comma, after that multiplication we write multiplication in colon, a double quoted text after the star here. After the comma, then second number, that is I, this is the second variable, here we write I. After that the here is equal to sign will be write, here write a is equal to sign, that is in double quoted text is equal to. After the comma, after we get output, what will we get, that is n into I, that is output n into I. I in range in 1 to 21. After the bracket complete, and need to check any program, there is no. After that we compile the program. There successfully compile the program, we write any number, that is example give 4. 4 into 4 8, 4 into 3 12, 4 into 4 16. This is the multiplication table, but here there is different space in here, two lines. There is no in any single line space. Here we will write here, that is in format. First we get write a format, format. Format, here is n. There is double quoted text, here this sign and 2. After colon double quoted text, bracket complete. After that here comma and here is dot, comma and double quoted text. After that the here in I in range, that is here we'll write a format, format, format bracket in less than 2. This is the some space, but here we write a colon, here a double quoted text, and after that there is no any add-on, that is space. Check all those format n comma double quoted text. Here will we need to write a comma, I think. Don't take any
Today's
space
tutorial and that all. Bye
in
and see you
between
again.
any print value. After we will check all this program in semicolon. Here format, in before format we write in some. After that check all this program, okay. And after here is what is problem is that here there is comma and we get output. We enter any output input 5. This is no any different steps is here. There is the output. There is very simple techniques. So guys, hope you will